Kwathi angishisa ukugcomelisha abafana bathi angishisa ukugcomelisha ngithi
kuthathe kwenze njani mangishiye khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe bibekisa khuluma mthule.
Hey guys, if you watched the last video, you already know this journey didn't start here. You saw my travel and anticipation. Today, I'm taking you with me as the journey for Umemelo truly begins. So welcome back, family. If you're new here, this is a continuation of my journey to Umemelo, the Reed Dance Festival and rite of passage deeply rooted in Zulu culture. This is not just travel content. This is personal, this is cultural, and I'm grateful you're here to experience it with me. After the long journey, arriving here feels different eventually. There's a calm, a sense of grounding, almost like the land itself knows why I've come. Traveling for Umemelo isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about mentally and spiritually arriving. I felt nervous, excited, proud. I want to share something honestly with you. This journey matters to me because Umemelo is not something you rush. It's a moment of transition, a moment of reflection. Traveling here reminded me that culture isn't something you watch, it's something you step into. And bringing you along is my way of documenting that truthfully. Preparation is a big part of Umemelo. Nothing is random. Everything has meaning. From the way attire is prepared to the advice shared by elders, this is where the teaching begins. This part of the journey taught me patience, humility, and respect, just like the previous years of my participation. Only this time I was recognized and was given an award of chasticity. One thing I want you to understand clearly, I'm not doing this alone. Family and community play a huge role. They guide, they protect, they remind you who you are. Umemelo is not about pressure, it's about support. And feeling that support changed the way I experienced everything. I know many of you watching come from different cultures. Some of you might be seeing Umemelo for the first time. Some of you might recognize pieces of your own traditions here. What I hope you take from this is understanding, not judgment. Respect, not assumptions. Culture looks different when you live it. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing the ceremony itself, the emotions, the lessons, and what Umemelo truly represents for me. This journey is far from over. If you're enjoying this journey with me, please support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching with respect.
kwathi angishisa ukugcomelisha abafana bathi angishisa ukugcomelisha ngithi
kuthathe kwenze njani mangishiye khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe bibekisa khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe kuthathe kwenze njani mangishiye khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe
kwathi angishisa ukugcomelisha abafana bathi angishisa ukugcomelisha ngithi
kuthathe kwenze njani mangishiye khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe bibekisa khuluma mthule intombi bekisa banjalo mangcela uthathe mama mosheshe